Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make shimmer eyeshadow. So if you're interested in seeing how that's done, keep on watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's just jump into it. I'm getting my workspace ready. I'm putting a paper towel down so I don't make a mess. And I picked my mica shades out already. I'm going to use these two shades from TKB Trading. I don't know what color that makes, but we'll find out. Here is a spray bottle with alcohol in it, and I use that to basically sanitize everything and make sure everything is clean and sanitized. You want to use glass or metal because they are just easier to clean. Mica can stain a lot of different surfaces, so I found that glass and metal work best with making eyeshadow. Don't show it on camera, but I sanitize the rest of my equipment off camera just because you guys get the point. I sanitize the pans and everything that I'm going to be using. Seriously can't wait to find out what yellow and purple make. I have no idea. Sometimes I just throw a bunch of shades together and just go with the flow. I washed my hands beforehand with soap and water, and I'm just going in with some hand sanitizer just to be extra clean. Then I'm putting some gloves on. Now that I have my workspace ready to go, I am going to start mixing the mica together. This is True Yellow from TKB Trading. I like to add the mica into the bowl first and then add my liquids to that. This is Pink Red Blue shade from TKB Trading, and this is such a pretty color. Now I'm just giving it a little mixy mix while it's still dry, and then I'll be adding the alcohol, mixing medium, and preservative cap. This is 91% alcohol, and I'm just adding this first. I don't really have a method of measuring right now. I'm really terrible at measuring, but I just found it easier just to eyeball it and find that right texture, and I just start off by adding small amounts and then going from there. This is the mixing medium. This is from TKB Trading, and this is basically the ingredient that holds your shade and everything together when you press it. A lot of people are concerned that alcohol is in the eyeshadow, and I like to tell everybody that basically the alcohol evaporates, so you're just using the alcohol to mix everything together and then to press it. When you press it, the alcohol basically comes out when you press it, and then when it air dries, alcohol will evaporate, and basically you're just left with the mica and the pressing medium holding it together. So I like to tell everybody, yeah, I use alcohol to make eyeshadow, but you're not gonna feel it on your lids. It's not enough for you to even know that's there. I just use it to mix in with the eyeshadow, and then it evaporates. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to explain. I'm kind of terrible at explaining things, but I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just mixing again because I added more mica. I didn't think I had enough, so I just added a little bit more. I'm really loving the way the purple and the yellow are mixing together. It's like a pastel-y kind of purple color, and I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm sure there's other ways of doing it, but this way I found it just works for me. So here I am just putting the eyeshadow in the pan and just scooping and adding. So I just wanted to let you guys know that basically people on TikTok are like, why you do it this way? Why don't you do it this way? Blah, 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 blah. Well, this is the ways that I found that works for me. If you guys want to try it a different way, by all means, go ahead. But for me, I've been practicing making eyeshadow for 3 years now. And these ways and techniques are just the way that I like to do it. So if you have other ways, by all means, do it your way. A lot of other small businesses who make eyeshadow handmade, I feel they don't share their process with you guys. And for me, it's just the way I wanted to do it when I started. And I don't really have to share with you guys how I make eyeshadow. It's just something I want to do. I want to be open with you guys. So if you wanted to try and make them at home, you can. So I just hope you guys enjoy the videos that I make like this on TikTok or here on YouTube. Just let me know. Comment down below and let me know. Also, if you guys can help me out by naming this eyeshadow shade, comment down below and let me know what I should name this shade. I am just adding 1 drop of preservative cap. Now I'm just taking a dry paper towel and I'm pressing each shade, and I'm just pressing until there is no longer alcohol seeping through the paper towel. Now I'm using this pressing fabric from TKB Trading. This gives it a nicely smooth kind of finish to it. Alright, this is the final product and I love it. I do have a shade that kind of looks like this, but it definitely does not have the shift it has when swatching. So I just love the way it turned out. I'm living for the yellow undertone. When you shift it, it's just, whoo, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.